Okay, so I'm Rebecca with Langleys House Leveling. My dad is wanting to record this. This is what the board looks like. So it's rotted all the way through.
Hello, I'm Kevin Langley with Langleys House Leveling. We're doing this little job replacing the plate and the seal. This is going to be a real easy job, should be, because I think all the floor joists are going to be good. If you go inside and the floor joists are no good, it'll be really soft in there, then you'd have to do it a little bit different than what we're doing this time. But I just wanted to show you how you can do it real fast. This is the stuff I'm going to use to pick this side of the house up. You can get a 4x4 and go up in there and catch a few floor joists and pick it up that way. You can catch a few floor joists, skip a floor joist, and continue that way on down through here and pick the house up. But I don't have enough room, I don't think, to put the 4x4 on top, so I got a bunch of jacks I'm just going to use. The jacks you need to use to do this needs to be a 12-ton or bigger, because most of the time if you have anything that's smaller, it's going to just break. And just it's better to have an angle iron on top of your jack too. Hey, lighten the seal off. I gotta do down at the other end, but I gotta set the jacks down there. I'm gonna just start down at this end and work my way that way. My piers can't be 6 foot apart, so I'm just gonna cut this 12-footer in half, and it's gonna go about right here, and that's where I'm gonna put the bottom plate at. And I'm gonna nail it to the seal and just start from there. I don't like that. Put that board on there. Usually it's harder when I just made it. Ireland. This is not all we get it. I can't get the 4 foot in that part.
Okay, so he used those jacks on the inside on the stringer to lift it up and take that board out, and now this side is pretty much replaced. And now he's gonna go tear out the last little bit of wood that's down there so we can replace the back part. Make sure it's on the string.
Or well, then again. Sorry.
Okay, he's going to get his pin and mark on this top board where the studs are.
Oh.
So that's what I'm going to do.
About a half inch off the board. That'll work. Well, actually, that's going to go up quite a bit. The best way to go on the inside, but I can't get in the inside. It's on my way.
Okay, and now we're pretty much done. I'm just going in and putting screws into the board where the stringer is on the other side, so it stays put. Down here this way, I had marked it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And now the whole board is replaced. He'll come back and sweep up the mess, but